Hello and welcome to this video following the Myers line section of explanations, so the previous video. We'll see here one exercise by creating a Myers line on a point cloud. Let's take the same example as in moving means, that is to say, the turnover of a company through 4 years, and this is a trimestral turnover, so there are 16 values here that follows each other. Graphically, we can notice that there are big waves on the graph, okay? The variations of the turnover are big. So whatever, we have to draw a Myers line and to find out the expression of this line in this example. The Myers method consists in dividing the point cloud in half, okay, into two subclouds of the same size, and from the left to the right, that is to say, by values of x. So let's take the 8 lowest values of x, and then the 8 highest values of x. So the 16 values has to be parted for the 2 first years here, and then for the 2 last years. This way, we can calculate an average value of the turnover with the 8 first values, and also an average value of the x position, okay? So that is to say the mean of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to add these values as abscissas and divide it by 8, the result being 4.5. So here are the coordinates of G1, the first midpoint, okay? This is the midpoint of the first cloud. Its location on the graph is exactly here. Secondly, we have to do the same work on the right of the initial chart with the 8 last values, of course. And then the new midpoint has coordinates which are 12.5 and 41.125. So you can see that I just added the 8 turnovers on the right part of the table and divided by 10. No, by 8, sorry. Well, the second mean point locates here. Now we can draw the Myers line, and then we can try to find the expression of this line because it will be useful for prediction. How could we find the expression of a line knowing 2 points on this line? The first thing that we can calculate is the slope of the line, which is delta y divided by delta 2, delta y over delta x. Okay, delta y over delta x here means y of g2 minus y of g1, result 1.125, divided by x of g2 minus x of g1, 12.5 minus 4.5, result 8. So the slope of this line is 0.14 approximately. Then, how could we find out the y-intercept of the line, coefficient b? Well, this coefficient is present in the expression of the line, y equals ax plus b, is the French notation of an expression. Y equals ax plus b implies that b can be calculated thanks to y minus ax. So, which kind of values of x and y can we choose to calculate b? Well, this expression is true whatever your position on the line. So you can take any point on the line and you know 2 points. So let's choose G1 for example, and let's take its coordinates 4.5 and 40. So that leads to this writing: 40 equals 0.14 times 4.5 plus b. So b equals the difference. That is to say 39.367. Now we know the expression of our Myers line. 0.14, y equals 0.14, x plus 39.367. we can guess that there is a little increasing of the trend, okay, so of the average trimestrial turnover through time, thanks to this Myers line. That's what the moving mean showed us. So I hope this little video has or was helpful for you, and see you to the next video, of course. Bye.